God set her free. No more cracking or stiffness or pain in the neck. And healed with shock and trauma from that accident with the watermelon cart, whatever it was.
Thank you, Jesus.
Cuidado.
Thank you, Jesus.
Oh, help her up, help her up, help her up. Turn around here.
Thank you, Jesus.
Move your neck, move your neck, move your neck. How's that?
No cracking.
No cracking.
Yeah.
A little bit fine.
Give a word of hand, everybody.
Yeah.
So what's your pain nearly for?
It was 9.
Has it gone now? Now see how, listen to me, some people heal instantly. I've done the process. And a lot has to do with coming and just relaxing.
Yes.
Just relaxing in God. That was it for 9 years.
No, it was 9 out of 10 pain.
9 out of 10.
How long ago were you hit by the watermelon cart, which is a new one for us?
80s. It was sometime in the 80s.
Wow, long time ago.
I was helping a friend undo a trailer truck of watermelons. And it
Was it every day?
yeah,
It's gone now.
it's gone.
I'm very glad because I was going to have to think about watermelons to relax. You should shake your hand. Cuidado.
Heals the sick, heals the lame, and he says you can heal them too in Jesus' name.